Hey, it's Andre, and this is the OMP BigHorn Pro Flap version. So it's got some pretty amazing capabilities with those flaps, cow, crow, and everything. It's going to be so much fun. Today's flight is going to be pretty basic and simple, nothing too crazy. It is cold, it is a little bit windy and everything, but I've got skis on the plane, so I'm kind of curious to see if I can slow it down and do some really amazing touch and goes for you on camera. So let's go, let's fly. 49 inches, 3S2200 in there, so I got my timer set for 5 minutes, and we're gonna have a little bit of fun, see what the OMP BigHorn can do. I'm Andre, BigHorn, let's go flying. Again, another super plane from OMP, the BigHorn. I've been looking forward to this. Got my glow bar out here. Again, it is super cold, so I don't know how long some of these batteries are going to last for. I'm at brand new battery and it's just died from the cold. That is really unfortunate. Having one of those days where everything just gets too cold and not going to last. Okay, one more try. Oh, there we go. It's up. Okay, great. Okay, so forward cam. Okay, will this guy turn on? Come on, baby. Yes. Okay, that one. This way. And both of them are going to get tucked underneath this cover. Out of the way. Oh, it is so cold. My hands are absolutely freezing. All right, just shove that in there. Okay, that guy is in. All right, so 3S2200 all the way to the front. I'll secure that guy this way just for giggles. It is frigid. 1, 2, 3. 12 by 5 inch prop, 1100 kV motor, 2820, spinning a 12 by 6 inch prop, 3S2200, 70C, and again, there, that's nice. All right, all that stuff is still going. All right, we're gonna make this flight quick because I got a feeling all the cameras are gonna start getting cold. Up, down, great. Cool, so BigHorn, and the BigHorn on skis, which is really neat, courtesy of Dubro. So those are the snowbirds, and in green, which was only suitable for the BigHorn in green. Okay, enough of me talking. Let's hope this stuff is still going. This stuff is all still recording. Great. Let's fly as fast as we can. Checking the wind. Okay. Bit of a crosswind. It's moved around a little since my last flight, but I've got a feeling the BigHorn won't care. I'm going to fly in low rates. And if I have to jack it up to high rates, I will. All right, backing up here so we get the camera views. And we'll see how this goes. All right, BigHorn, OMP BigHorn. Here we go. Not nervous at all, am I? Ah! Okay, gotta see what the wind's doing. That way. All right, gotta change it up a little bit. Wind's really changed to a crosswind. All right, cameras are still there. I'll clear the snow off that real quick. We'll change that takeoff approach. All right, we'll take off this way this time. I'm trying not to step into the snow and make any ruts for myself. All right, this should be better. All right, clean off on that snow. Okay, great. Let's just get this over with. It's cold. We still going. Battery's running out on that guy. We're taking some hits on the cameras. It's too cold for the camera gear. All right, into the wind this time. That was not pretty at all, but it's up. OMP BigHorn taking to the sky. Oh, I love the colors. Oh, putting in a little bit of down elevator. I'm just playing in the wind a little bit. Yeah, could trim the elevator a bit into the wind. Let's bring her back towards me. Lots of power, lots of authority. I definitely got to put some down elevator into this plane, but not bad. Cruising along very nicely. Gonna bring it past us. Watch it in the kerns. Coordinated flying here. Oh, really nice airplane. Really nice airplane. Again, 49 inches, same power system, 40 amp ESC, 1100 kV motor, running on 3S, spinning a 12-inch prop, 12 by 6 by 5 to be exact. Nice weight, and again, balsa with a really nice covering. It really stands out. I like the green, especially out here in this winter wonderland we're flying in today. Really nice. I'm gonna get used to this thing. I am putting in a little bit of down elevator to correct it, so I will trim that in post afterwards, but it's really responsive. Flying in my low rates too, so obviously when it's nice and the fair weather and everything, and I can really relax with it, it will be a really fun flying airplane. Oh, love the fact it's 3S actually. I kind of respect it. I was expecting it to be a 4S, but if you're looking for something to start with and you don't want to go foam and balsa is your thing and you want a plug and play experience, but in balsa, oh man, you cannot go wrong with this airplane. It is, one, looks really good. Two, is obviously flying really nice. And you know, the wind is doing a lot. I got, you know, look at the skis. The skis are fully jacked back now after that takeoff. So, you know, there's tons of drag in there. And I mean, there's, oh, she's got go. She's got a lot of go to it. So, nice airplane. I'm keeping this flight super simple. I won't even play with the flaps because I'm really cold. And I don't want to make any mistakes on my maiden flight with this thing, so really nice airplane. All right, so based on that wind on that takeoff, my approach is going to be towards me this time, like this. I have no idea if my cameras are still going, and I've got about a minute left on the clock. Good authority on takeoff, but it definitely, you want to be into the headwind. You want to be pointing into the wind because it's your standard. Oh, look at it, nice. It will dance. I'm going to get used to this thing, and we're going to be dancing in the wind and everything in no time. All right, we're going to do another approach and land. I'm really excited to get this thing out again on a nice day when my fingers aren't numb and everything, and throw this thing into the wind, put the flaps on and everything. Let's see how it just settles into its pocket and lands. I want to be closer. Oh, BigHorn, you and I are going to have a lot of fun in the near future. Okay.
30 seconds.
Okay, my timer is going to run out. I don't want to do anything silly because I'm not even checking the battery voltage. You can see how she's just wandering in the wind. I'm going to milk this in, use my rudder. Oh, all right. Wasn't as close as I wanted it. Don't blow over. Oh, BigHorn. Oh, yes. Hair is a mess. I'm in the snow. It's cold, it's windy, but the BigHorn is an absolute riot. I have no idea what cameras worked. I don't care. It flew great. It just turned over. Oops. All right, I really can't wait for a really nice day to fly this thing and just go. But I mean, initial reactions are just that. This is a really fun airplane. Well, can't say I landed it very good, but the OMP BigHorn and I are going to be having a lot of fun in the near future. Stay tuned. This was just a really quick flight. When the weather's better and it's not so numbingly cold and everything, the flaps will be out, the big wheels will be on the BigHorn, and we'll be having a ton of fun. Right now, I'm just satisfied to have been able to get out and fly it and test it out. Just one quick pack, but that's all we need to try it out. So, OMP BigHorn, flying on some Dubro skis in the middle of Andre's frozen winter tundra land. I'm Andre, OMP BigHorn. Thanks for watching.